Hey everyone, it's MKBHD, and we're back with the latest and greatest from Samsung the Galaxy S25 series. This year, Samsung has really outdone itself, bringing a host of new features and improvements that are sure to impress even the most discerning tech enthusiasts. Every year, we wait with bated breath to see what Samsung has in store for its flagship lineup. The anticipation is always high, and the excitement in the air is palpable. And let me tell you, this year is no different. The buzz around the S25 series has been incredible, and for good reason. The S25 series is packed with upgrades that promise a significant leap in the smartphone experience. From enhanced performance to cutting-edge technology, Samsung has left no stone unturned. We're talking about a brand new design, a more intuitive OneUI, a powerhouse processor, and a battery life that will keep you going all day. And let's not forget the camera technology that's going to blow your mind. With advanced sensors and AI capabilities, capturing stunning photos and videos has never been easier. So, buckle up as we dive into the details and see if the S25 series lives up to the hype. We'll be exploring every aspect of these phones, from design to performance, and everything in between. You know I love a good unboxing, and the S25 series did not disappoint. The packaging is sleek, and the unboxing experience is as premium as it gets. This year, Samsung is sticking with its three-model lineup, the S25, the S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. Each model caters to different needs and preferences, ensuring there's something for everyone. Each phone boasts an array of impressive features, from high-resolution displays to robust security options. But the Ultra, as always, is the one to beat. It's the pinnacle of Samsung's innovation, packed with the most advanced technology and features. Pushing the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, the S25 Ultra is designed for those who want the very best. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at what makes this series truly special. The first thing you'll notice about the S25 series is its stunning new design. Samsung has really outdone themselves this time, creating a phone that not only looks good but feels premium in every way. Samsung has opted for a premium titanium frame this time around, making these phones incredibly durable without adding unnecessary bulk. This choice of material not only enhances the phone's durability, but also gives it a sleek, modern look that stands out from the crowd. We all know how frustrating it is to slap a case on a beautiful phone, but this sleek design deserves to be shown off. The S25 series is designed to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, making it a joy to use without a case. And don't even get me started on this anti-reflective matte finish. It not only reduces glare but also adds a touch of elegance to the phone's overall look. This finish makes the phone look sophisticated and high-end. Not only does it look incredibly sophisticated, but it also does a fantastic job of keeping fingerprints at bay. This means your phone will look clean and pristine, even after a full day of use. Finally, a phone that looks as good in person as it does in those promotional shots. The S25 series truly lives up to the hype, offering a design that is both practical and visually stunning. Samsung has also managed to slim down the bezels even further, giving you even more screen real estate to play with. This makes the viewing experience more immersive and enjoyable, whether you're watching videos or browsing the web. This is especially noticeable on the Ultra model, which boasts a truly immersive viewing experience. The larger screen and minimal bezels make it perfect for media consumption, gaming, and productivity tasks. Of course, hardware is only half the story. While the sleek design and powerful internals of the Samsung Galaxy S25 are impressive, it's the software that truly brings the device to life. Samsung's OneUI has always been praised for its clean aesthetic and user-friendly interface. It's designed to make your smartphone experience as seamless and enjoyable as possible. With OneUI 7, Samsung takes things up a notch, offering a more refined and intuitive software experience. The interface is smoother, the animations are more fluid, and everything feels more responsive. The first thing you'll notice is the new dynamic widgets, which provide quick and easy access to your favorite apps and information. These widgets are not only functional but also add a touch of personalization to your home screen. These widgets are customizable, so you can personalize your home screen to your liking. Whether you prefer a minimalist look or a more detailed layout, the choice is yours. And let's be real, who doesn't love a bit of personalization? It's these little touches that make your device truly feel like your own. Samsung has also made some significant improvements to focus mode, allowing you to minimize distractions and stay focused on the task at hand. This feature is perfect for those moments when you need to concentrate. Whether you're working, studying, or just need some time to unwind, focus mode can help you create the perfect environment to get things done. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you stay on track. And for those of you deep within the Samsung ecosystem, OneUI 7 offers even tighter integration with other Galaxy devices. This means your Galaxy phone, tablet, and even your Galaxy Watch work together more seamlessly than ever before. From seamless file sharing to instant hotspot connectivity, managing your digital life just got a whole lot easier. The Galaxy ecosystem is designed to make your life more connected and convenient, ensuring you stay productive and entertained no matter where you are. Now, let's talk about the brains of the operation. The S25 series is powered by the latest Exynos 2500 chipset in some regions, while others get the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. Either way, you're looking at a significant boost in processing power and graphics performance. Trust me, these phones can handle anything you throw at them, from demanding games to resource-intensive multitasking. But raw power is nothing without efficient management. That's why Samsung has also implemented an improved RAM management system in the S25 series. This means apps load faster, multitask smoother, and the phone feels snappier overall. And to keep things running cool even under pressure, the S25 series utilizes an advanced vapor cooling system. Section 5 battery life that won't quit, powering through your day. Let's be honest, we've all been there, that dreaded low battery notification popping up at the worst possible moment. Well, with the S25 series, you can say goodbye to battery anxiety for good. Samsung has packed a massive 5,200 mAh battery into these phones, ensuring you have enough juice to power through even the longest days. And when you do finally need to charge up, the S25 series supports blazing fast 65-watt wired charging. We're talking about a full charge in under an hour. And if that wasn't enough, the S25 series also supports reverse wireless charging, so you can use your phone to power up your other devices on the go. Section 6. A Visual Feast Immersive Display Technology. The S25 series sports a stunning 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media or watching your favorite shows, you'll be blown away by the fluid animations and crystal-clear visuals. And with HDR10+ support, you can expect vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible detail in your content. Samsung knows that we're spending more and more time staring at our screens. That's why they've incorporated an Eye Comfort Shield feature into the S25 series, which reduces blue light emissions to minimize eye strain. Section 7. Photography Redefined, Capturing Moments in Stunning Detail. Get ready to up your photography game because the S25 series comes equipped with a mind-blowing 250-megapixel main camera sensor. That's right, 250 megapixels. This allows for incredible detail even when you're zooming in on your subject. But it's not just about megapixels. Samsung has also made some significant improvements to its image processing software. The new AI-powered image processing algorithms work behind the scenes to ensure your photos are always sharp, vibrant, and full of detail. And for those low-light shots, the S25 series boasts an improved night mode that captures stunning images even in the darkest environments. Section 8. AI at your fingertips, making life easier and more fun. Samsung has stepped up its AI game with the S25 series. The new and improved AI assistant is more intuitive than ever, providing helpful reminders, personalized recommendations, and seamless control over your smart home devices. Need to translate a menu in a foreign language? No problem. The S25 series real-time translation feature can help you out, and for those of you with massive photo libraries like me, the AI-powered Gallery app makes it easier than ever to find the photos you're looking for. The app uses machine learning to automatically categorize your photos based on faces, locations, and even objects. Section 9. Samsung Galaxy S25 series, is it worth the hype? So, the big question is the Samsung Galaxy S25 series worth the hype? And more importantly, is it worth the upgrade? Well, as always, it depends. If you're rocking an S24 or even an S23, you might not notice a huge difference. But if you're using an older phone or you're just due for an upgrade, the S25 series is definitely worth considering. You're getting top-of-the-line performance, a stunning display, incredible camera capabilities, and a refined software experience that's hard to beat. Ultimately, the decision is yours. But one thing's for sure, the Samsung Galaxy S25 series is a testament to how far smartphone technology has come. Until next time, this is MKBHD signing out. Peace.